or shape your natural eyebrow. As you can see, this one is already done. So I'm going to use the other side of the brow to teach you how you groom your natural or shape your natural eyebrow. In trimming the eyebrow, these are the things that you'll be needing: your razor blade and spoolie. Yeah. The first thing you would do is to brush up all your eyebrow hairs, okay, just to define the shape of the eyebrow. The next thing you are going to do is to locate the arc of your eyebrow. The arc of your eyebrow is the highest point of your brow. So here is the arc of your eyebrow, and this is where the brow will end. Good. Use your thumb to drag up the skin so that it will not fold and cut you. Start from the inner corner of the eyebrow and drag towards the arc of the eye and drag it down. Good. Brush it up and continue to trim till you get the perfect shape of your eyebrow. Please do it with less effort, okay? Do it gently so that you not hurt yourself or your customer. Brush it up. Yes. Trim the eyebrow to get rid of the unwanted hair around the brow area, just to get a neat wig, a very neat wig. Yes, brush it again. Good. Always make sure you use your thumb to drag the skin, okay, so that it will not fold and cut you. For more neat work, you brush the hair downwards and trim the excess one. Good. After you are done trimming the excess one, you brush it upwards. Trim till you get a very neat wig, guys, but make sure you will not apply efforts. Yeah, so trim the hair in between the two brows. Guys, kindly follow the steps, okay? And trim your natural eyebrow before you start the training tomorrow, God willing. We are not going to do this part of the tutorial. We are not going to do it. So I want you to do it before the meeting or the training commence. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.